What's up everybody, my name is Derek. Welcome to my channel, and today I have a really special car here with me today. It's the 2013 Honda Accord HFP edition. This is a really special car. They didn't make too many of them, and then when they did, I'm pretty sure they only came in black or white. Two absolutely amazing colors and two special colors, if that. Starting with the front of this car. The front of this car is absolutely amazing. It's arguably my favorite side of it, along with the back. It's just done so well. Like, you got that nice black grille with that nice silver accent Honda emblem and that nice silver accent going around the bottom. It just looks so nice. The one thing is with these lights are really nice, but the 2016, 2017 models, they had a really nice light where the LED light here was super seamless. Like this one, it's nice, but you can see like the little dots for the LED lights where, yeah, that new one is just seamless, absolutely beautiful, but that car's only a little bit more money, probably more than you want to spend most of the time. Coming along to the bottom, you do got that extra grille down there with that nice silver accent to just make it pop a little bit more and look a little bit more sophisticated. Coming along to the side there, you got that nice fog light, which works extremely well, 10 out of 10. And then you got a nice grille around it. It is a fake grille, but what do you expect? It's a fog light, it's a Honda Accord. That doesn't matter, it looks really nice. We're gonna get to the side of the car. This is a really nice side too. And then this is where that HFP performance parts come into play. Can't wait to show you about them. Coming along to the side of the car. Side of the car is super nice. It's styled very well. It's very sophisticated, yet it has a little bit of youth to it. I love the side skirts. These are the HFP side skirts. It's the HFP kit I've been telling you guys about. I think it's designed extremely well. And it just, yeah, it adds that little bit of more like depth to it. It adds that little extra style key to it. This car also features an HFP lowering kit. It's standard from Honda. I could be wrong about this. This is what I was told about the HFP kit. I think it looks excellent. Along with the HFP exclusive gunmetal rims. A lot of people want these rims. A lot of people. They go for a decent amount of money on the secondhand market, and I understand why. They are very pretty rims. I'm not a fan of the glossy gunmetal, unfortunately. I more so like the satin, but I understand why people like them. And on the passenger side, I'll show you guys, there is a nice, it's a lane switching camera. So when you have your right hand signal on, it shows you right next to you so you can see through, so you can see your blind spots. Extremely important, especially driving in the city. You know, bicyclists, they own the road. Let's leave it at that. It's all good though. But yeah, that's why it's an extremely important feature as well. And I was so surprised when I heard that this 2013 had that. There's cars right now just advertising they have that. And this car was back in 2013 having that. Honda, I'm telling you, they always kill it. You guys know, if you've seen any of my other videos, I love Honda. I think they're at the top of the game. Let's get to the rear end of this car though. It's a beautiful spot, and I think you guys will like it too. Let's go see. Coming along to the rear of this car. The rear end of this car is insanely gorgeous. It's designed so well. It's just the lights, it's a very girthy car, and that's kind of what you want on the road, especially when you're buying a two-door. You want some people to look at you at least. Don't judge my friend. I'm gonna say this right now. He did not make these badges this matte black. It looks tacky, I know. You're not supposed to plasti dip stuff. It doesn't look good, don't do it. But it would've looked better if it was a gloss finish. And I really don't know why that person just matte blacked all those emblems and then the side trim around the windows. I don't know, it's whatever. He's gonna fix it, so don't worry about that. But yes, you do have that nice Accord emblem. You got the Honda badge, V6, HFP, the dual exhaust, and then the HFP on the back here, that kit that makes it look a little bit more stylish, is right here. You get that spoiler, and you also get the little side skirts at the back rear bumper on the sides. It's super nice. It just adds that little bit of extra girth to the car, like I was saying. All around, it's an insanely nice car. Coming around to the trunk test. The trunk test is insanely good on this car. You could pretty much put anything in the trunk that you need. Golf clubs, anyone, anything you need, it can go in there. You do have a button here, so if you forget your key in the car, you can just come back, press the trunk release button, and then open that up. As you can see, it is very spacious, endless amounts of room to put whatever you want. And yeah, you also can release the trunk with the key. I'm sure you guys knew that, but just wanted to show you guys that. Coming along to the inside of this car, it's done super well, just like the older Accord from like the 08 to 2012. This car is done immaculate. Coming down to those trims, you actually have the illuminated trims. You get a Porsche, you're spending like an extra $1,300 for that. Anyways, coming along, you do have this nice trim. This car will fit a big person. I'm 6 feet tall, as you'll see, and I fit perfectly fine. The back, I would rather not sit back there, but I can. Starting at the steering wheel is done extremely well. It's very nice design. It's gonna age extremely well. You got that nice Honda emblem. You got your buttons on the side, which are done extremely well. If you guys are wondering why I'm still wearing a glove, it's because I live in Canada and it's cold out. I apologize. Don't hate me. Now, let's go on to the front of the dashboard. The dashboard, it's laid out extremely well. You have the speed around the top, so you can see how fast you're going. Underneath the speed, though, you have your liters per 100 kilometers, so it will tell you if you're driving politely, driving fast, or however you're driving. It's going to let you know. It's going to snitch you out, and it's going to, if you use it properly, it will save you some money. I will say that. Then under that, you have the range. Under that, you have the trip A, trip B, etc. And then you have the gear that you're in. And then obviously the temperature. Coming along to the side, you have the RPMs. It has the eco symbol showing that I'm in eco mode right now to save gas. Over here, you have the temperature, and then you have the fuel. Coming along to the door handle and the door panel, actually, you got the nice switches here, nice Honda obviously, and you only need the two since it's a two-door. And then you got the lock, unlock, lock your door, lock the windows. You have somewhere where you could set your seats. You have the eco button, you have traction control. Coming along to the dash, it is dated, I know. Unfortunately, it is extremely dated. It's 2013. Technology is moving super quick. You have up there, up the top screen would be your GPS, and obviously the time if you're not using the GPS. It does have Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone to it, but it's not going to have like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Down here you have your temperature gauges to see the temperature of the car, obviously. And down here you have the sound in the back and the phone and the info, the menu. You got all that good stuff. Over here you have the gear selector. So you got the park, neutral, the park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then the S is sport mode for going fast. You do have heated seats in both sides, which is absolutely excellent. Come along to the middle of the console. You get a lot, you can fit a lot of stuff in there. It's a nice size car, let's just say that. You'll get a lot of use out of this car. Let's get into the driving perspective of this car. This is a very important part for a lot of you guys, I understand. There's a lot of cool things about this car I actually just learned within the past day. Number one would actually be is if you're driving too close to someone, it will make your window yellow. So you stop like right now. It tells you that it has that, just that extra, that little extra precaution, because I have a friend that, has texted in a car before, AKA this one. And then he got a little too close to a car and it screamed at him. And his window went yellow. So it kind of freaked him out and made him stop. And that's super important. especially if you guys are getting these cars for your daughter, a loved one, anyone that's special to you. I just made the wrong turn. I apologize. Don't judge me. I see all you guys judging me online right now. Don't do it. Yeah, so it is very important because you want to, if you're getting this car for someone or even yourself, you want to know that person's going to be safe. And that's super important. I didn't know about that, and I'm happy it comes with it. Another thing is, this car has lane keep assist. So if you're like slowly going out of the lane, the car is going to throw you back in the, not throw you obviously, but it's going to put you back in that lane. So you're comfortable, you're safe, and you're not going to get into an accident and hurt anyone or yourself. Very important, I know. Something about this car too, it does have 267 horsepower, which is super quick for this car especially. And for most people, honestly, that's all the power you need. What do you need to be going like 300 kilometers an hour? It's like, it's unneeded, you don't need it. This is a perfect car for just daily driving, and it's quick. It has the VTEC since it is the V6 EXL. I'm a massive fan of the V6 just because when you do want that speed, and you really want to rip it, this car will do that absolutely tremendously. I'll show you right now. Shh, don't tell anyone. See, it rips. The traction control light came on. It's pretty quick. For most of you people out there that's looking for a first car or something, this car is quick. It does have the sport mode as well as the eco mode. So when you're driving at slower speeds, my older Accord had this as well, but it drops down to 3 cylinders, which is pretty cool because it saves you money, it saves you gas. Everyone's happy when we're saving money. A lot of you guys are probably wondering, should you get this car? Should you get something else? Maybe something more practical, 4 doors. I know the thought, like, why? Should I really get a 2-door? Yes, you should. I'm going to say it right now. If you don't have any kids, you're okay. Get that 2-door now. Experience it. Because once you get kids, you get a wife, or maybe you have a wife and you just want this car anyways. Kudos to you. You may have to get that 4-door car. So that's why I'm all for just experiencing it and getting an amazing car off the bat. 2 doors. You'll have fun with it. This is a good car. Damn. I want this car. I have a Honda CR-Z right now. It's an amazing car. Don't get me wrong. But Accords truly have my heart. They're amazing cars. They're reliable. They're quick. You don't have to worry about anything. They look excellent, especially this model with that LED lights. I'm telling you, if you need a car, this is the one to get. Since we're at this light, let's talk about reliability. Reliability on these cars, I'm pretty sure, I'm aware of it. They're pretty damn good. Like when I had my Accord, I beat that thing up. I destroyed it. I even hit a curb from drifting, being an idiot. I was younger, I know. Don't judge me. And it just kept on going. I just drove away and acted like nothing happened. I didn't say nothing to my mom. I didn't say nothing to anyone. I kept that to myself. It was embarrassing. I'm just telling this right now. But yeah, these cars are bulletproof, essentially. That's why I think they're great cars. And it's so sad that they're killing them off, or they killed them off. The camera died on me, unfortunately. I apologize, everyone. But I wanted to finish off this video with letting you guys know a little bit more about this car. This car also features a sunroof. And like I was saying, it has lane keep assist. It has an assist to let you know if you're getting too close to the car, and it can predict an accident, which is super cool. It also features a sunroof. That's a must for a lot of people, including me. I'm trying to think of other features that you guys would maybe like. It does feature the back seat that will fit someone 6 feet tall. I am 6 feet. I fit back there perfectly. It has the GPS. It has the nice infotainment system. Honestly, this car has everything you want. It has the styling. It has the comfortability. It has everything. The speakers are absolutely unreal. I would honestly give them a 10 out of 10 for bang for buck in a Honda. Amazing car. I definitely think you guys should test drive this car if you are looking for your next car. Please, if you don't mind and you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. Anyways, thank you so much. Please leave a comment below if you would get this car or what car would you get instead of this. Thank you so much. I'm out, guys. Peace.